Hello friends, welcome to Life Simplified and my name is Abhishek. Today I will be talking about this book called Siddhartha, which is written by Hermann Hesse. Hermann Hesse is a German-born Swiss poet and he has also won a Nobel Prize for his works in literature, and this book is one of his best works, and this is inspired by his interest in Buddhism and India. So without any further ado, let's start the book review. So when I received this book, I read the cover on it, and the first impression that I got is this book is about a boy called Siddhartha who was contemporary of Gautam Buddha. It means he was born at the same time when Gautam Buddha was teaching. I thought that this will be something about his story and what he learned from Buddha maybe. So I started reading this book with this kind of impression, but as I progressed with my reading, I found that this book has got nothing to do with Buddha. It is entirely the story of the boy Siddhartha, who along the journey of his life learns how to become a Buddha. So it's a wonderful book. I finished reading it today only, and I was really amazed the kind of writing Hermann Hesse has expressed in this book. Let's start talking about Siddhartha. So Siddhartha is a boy who was born in a Brahmin family. His father was a Brahmin, and they used to perform all the rituals that a Brahmin does. So from his early childhood, he was aware of all these rituals and everything related to spirituality. He used to meditate every day with one of his friends called Govinda under a tree. But all of this was not giving him the kind of satisfaction that he wanted regarding spirituality and enlightenment. So he wanted to attain the knowledge of enlightenment or self-realization, which was not happening to him. So one day he decided that he will become an ascetic or a samana, and he asked his father to allow him to leave his home, renounce everything and become a samana. His father was very reluctant to let him go, but Siddhartha was really stubborn. Then his father had to actually let him go, and his father told him that okay, you go become a samana, and whatever you are looking for, if you get that, please come back and also teach me. Then both he and Govinda left to become an ascetic. They joined a group of samanas, and from there on his journey started. He practiced everything that an ascetic does, and at one point both of them came across the enlightened being Buddha, and Siddhartha got to meet Buddha. But since Siddhartha was a samana and he was practicing everything that he could to attain self-realization, but he was not able to attain it yet, and since Gautama was already an enlightened being, Siddhartha told Gautama that you might be enlightened, but you cannot teach enlightenment to the people. You can give knowledge, but you cannot give your wisdom. And he denied to follow Buddha's teachings and join his group. On the other hand, Govinda joined Gautama's group, but Siddhartha moved on from there. And from there on, his real journey started. And how the journey unfolds, it is really amazing. When you will read this book, you will get to know how he gets to learn about enlightenment, how he meets a woman called Kamala and also a merchant called Kamaswami. And then he involves himself into samsara and how he comes out of it, and again at the end of the story he actually gets self-realization. So whatever I have read in this book, it is very real, nothing fancy. That is what amazed me, and it really moved me from inside. Because if a person is looking for enlightenment, it is something that he himself can realize, he himself can experience with his life experiences. Teachings can help him, but no enlightened being can enlighten other person until and unless the person himself is available for it, until and unless the person himself realizes everything. So this is a story of realization of a normal boy called Siddhartha, and I want everyone to read this book, whoever wants to get started with spirituality. This book is amazing read for every beginner who is interested in spirituality. I'll rate this book 4.5 out of 5. This book falls under fictional category, but when I read this book, it felt like almost a real story, and I'm sure that the author also must have felt all that he had poured down in this book. So that was all from my end about this book. I bought this book from Amazon. I'll also leave the link in the description so that you can also buy it, and please leave your comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. This is Abhishek signing off for now. See you till the next video. Bye bye.